This guy recorded a really bad van driver, who either doesn't know how to drive or he's drunk. Take a look.
What's he stopped for? What the f? Some people, what are they doing? Oh, what's he doing? Is he in France or is he in the UK? He's in the middle lane. Shouldn't laugh really, it's not funny, is it? I mean, is he drunk?
Thanks.
This trucker had to force his way out. Nobody wanted to let him out or give him room to turn.
Yeah, that's why I'm at. Scoot. If I gotta be a dick, I'm gonna be in a dick.
By doing what you did, because now we all were out of production because you were in such a freaking hurry to be able to be like, okay, done. Oh my god, I gotta go, I gotta call 911.
Okay, love you, bye.
Bye.
You know what I'm saying?
This trucker got forced to take an exit by careless pickup truck driver.
Idiot.
Sat there in open air before solidifying, but I really didn't feel like that was the case. Either way though, if I wanted to make something that wasn't hideous, I was going to have to somehow get all of the hydrogen out of the aluminum, and there were apparently many different
Van driver caused the accident by turning left from wrong lane.
Idiot!
This driver said that after getting cut off and brake checked, he tried to get away from reckless driver, but he got tailgated for some time.
You have some serious issues.
Genuinely good videos possible that'll make you all want to stay subscribed. That and the general economic model of Nebula has led to some really good exclusive content like our wacky cross-country travel-based game show called Crime Spree and real-life Floor's fantastic series Modern Conflicts, diving deep into recent battles and wars in a way that isn't allowed on YouTube.
This driver lost control of his car. Luckily, central barrier stopped him.
What are you doing?
Like after the song, like this would be good for this artist, would be that before.
But both ways is the cool thing. Sometimes people start, they'll have like a cheat sheet and the publisher will send and be like, hey, such and such is working on an album. Yeah. Or such and such is looking for a song that feels like. And you'll take that cheat sheet and target right there.
Patient driver receives instant karma after trying to overtake traffic using emergency lane. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.